come in here. And just so, this is our players use this facility all day, almost every day. Like our classroom's over on the other side. We're in one of the conference rooms, so they kind of come in here and do their thing, and then they go to school, and then they come back and do practice. And what we'll do is I'll give you guys kind of a tour as if a player was coming into the dressing room, and then we'll finish in the hallway here that has lots of things you guys can look at. A lot of and all the players that were drafted in the NHL and the organization that have won Stanley Cups, captains, and things like that. So we'll go through the room, and feel free to ask me questions if I missed something or if you're curious on anything. But when the players come in, they'll come in through here. Comfy and spoiled.
Yeah. Well, I guess it needs a little bit of pampering.
Yeah, that's right.
That's a nicer big dreams. Oh,
But for those that didn't hear me, those are the change stalls for the players that are in the first room that you guys walked into. Each player has their own change stall with their coded thing where they can keep everything, their personal belongings. This is what we would call the players' lounge. So this is where they hang out, they relax, they have their lunch in here, they have their pre-game stuff in here, and a lot of times there's a hockey game on, and they just get a chance to mix and mingle. And one thing you'll notice is these garage doors actually here and in the clinic will go up and down. So it's meant so all the players can be connected at all times. So if someone's eating their lunch, they can connect with people getting treatment, they can connect with people in the gym, so it's kind of a thing like that. And then on game days, we bring the doors down, it gets a little bit more private and a little more business-like. But so as you can see, it flows right into our gym. So on this side is our therapy room where the players get all their treatment and therapy, and anytime they have injuries gets done in here. And then this is our state-of-the-art gym in here. So as we can actually walk through and circle all the way around. So everything's really custom for our team and for our players, and we can have all roughly 25 players working out in here at the exact same time. So some players are on the bikes or doing their weights or whatever they're doing, but we have a full-time strength and conditioning coach that's with them all the time. So yes, yeah, that's always the plan. So we can swing right through here. So what you'll see in here is there's a hot tub and a cold tub that are usually full during the season on one side, and then on the other side is a steam room that the players have going, and we'll go right through the bathroom back into the dressing room area. So. This is the main dressing room area here. One tradition that almost all teams follow in hockey is that the logo is usually in the middle of the room, and you're not supposed to step on the logo. It's kind of an old school tradition. But this isn't our logo, so we have access. Like, we can kind of go wherever we want here. And Mr. Irving put our logo up above, and it's lit up, and it's specially lit up, and it's on 24/7. So even at night when we leave and all the lights come off, the logo stays lit, and it's kind of a neat thing. And but the room is obviously state of the art. All the stalls are individual. They actually have air systems in them that they actually suck. The air comes out the top. There's fans in the back that pulls the air through the gear to dry it, and then it goes in pipes and ends up going out of the arena. So as you can see, it doesn't smell like a hockey dressing room in here. It smells quite clean. So no, the players are very fortunate to have this. The TV up there is actually a smart board that during games is connected to our video coach, so we can come in and show anything from any time of any play of the game. Live from intermissions and things like that. So no, it's a great setup. And then if we can continue down here, there's sort of one more room next. comfy. It's too comfy. We don't make the meetings too long because you can guess what's going to happen with our players in those chairs. They're going to, yeah, that's right. They're going to fall asleep. So, but yeah, that's kind of the main tour of the dressing room. As you'll see in the hallway, just behind this wall here, there's a lot of CHL awards and major junior or world juniors and stuff like that. So feel free to take a look at the wall. And then also in the hallway, you'll see all the past NHL draftees, former captains, and things like that. Feel free to check all that out. I'll be here to answer any more questions as we go, and then give you guys a few minutes to keep looking anywhere you would like to look around, and then I'll take you guys back to the front lobby. So, thanks again. Oh, you're very welcome. Check it out, and I'll be around to answer any more questions you need.
Well, it was pretty good to come out and see the dressing room tour, and thanks to Josh, who used to play here, for giving us a tour. And the great. I'm gonna head home. I got work to do now, so gotta go back to the paying job. All right, so thanks for tuning in to Out and About. I'm Stuart. We'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you from New Hampshire when we go to the NASCAR race this weekend. See you then.